Dear friends, in this episode, we are going to learn what is viscosity. Do you know what is viscosity in chemistry? To understand about viscosity, we take example of some liquids like honey and water. As we know, honey is thicker than water. So honey flow with very slow speed on floor than water. As water is very less thick, so it flows quickly. Hence, we can say that liquids with high thickness like honey flow slowly and have high viscosity, while a liquid with low thickness like water flow quickly and have low viscosity. Do you know what is the meaning of viscous? To understand viscosity, first we learn what is the meaning of the word viscous. So viscous is the property of material, that is material having a thick sticky consistency between solid and liquid and also have a high viscosity. To understand viscosity very well, we just take example of some viscous liquids from our daily life, that is cooking oil, honey, lubricant, engine oil, brake oil, liquid soap. These highly viscous liquids are some example of viscosity from your daily life in science. You know viscosity very well even before listening this term viscosity in your physics or chemistry class. Definition of viscosity. Viscosity can be defined as the fluid resistance to flow. In chemistry, viscosity of a fluid is the measure of its resistance to gradual deformation by the tensile stress or shear stress. We can also say that viscosity is the internal resistance of the fluid. Fluids which have high viscosity resist to move as its molecular makeup gives this fluid a too much internal friction to motion, while fluids which have low viscosity resist less to move as its internal molecular makeup gives this fluid a less internal friction to motion. So we can say that internal molecular makeup decide internal friction between them and which ultimately provide viscosity of fluid. Honey have high internal friction than water, so honey have high viscosity than water. Who possess viscosity? Along with liquids or fluids, gases also have viscosity, but it is very difficult to notice viscosity of gases at ordinary conditions. We can say that viscosity is the resistance of a fluid to change in its shape in very simple ways. Viscosity is resistance to flow. Fluidity is the reciprocal of viscosity. So now we can say that honey has high viscosity and low fluidity, while water has low viscosity and high fluidity. Viscosity play a very important role in determining characteristics of fluid used in lubrication and transportation, spraying, surface coating, internal molding, injection molding, etc. Formula used for viscosity. Viscosity is equal to force into time divided by area. Newton's viscosity law. According to the Newton's viscosity law, shear stress between the two adjacent fluid layers is directly proportional to the velocity gradient between these two layers. Unit of viscosity. Unit of viscosity is Newton second per square meter. SI unit of viscosity is Pascal second. Relationship of viscosity with temperature. Viscosity of liquid decreases quickly with increase in the temperature, while viscosity of gases increases with increase in temperature. For example, viscosity of water at 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 0.85 into 10 to power minus 3 10 to power 3 Pascal second, while viscosity of water at 77 degrees Celsius is equal to 0.36 into 10 to power minus 3 Pascal second. Types of viscosity. Viscosity is classified in two types, which are as follows: dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity. Dynamic viscosity is defined as the measure of the ratio of shear stress to shear rate of fluid. So its formula is dynamic viscosity is equal to shear stress divided by shear rate. Kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is defined as the measure of ratio of viscous force to inertial force on the fluid. So its formula is kinematic viscosity is equal to viscous force divided by inertial force. Measurement of viscosity. Viscosity is measured by various types of rheometers or viscometers like Oswald viscometer. You are listening this episode on Chemistry Notes Info, and you can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to get all chemistry notes, videos, infographics, quizzes and many more. Thank you to listening this episode.